Hey everybody, happy Memorial Day. Today is Memorial Day, but I'm actually working. One of my clients, she's more mature, I'd like to say, but needed my help, and she could meet today, so that's what we are doing. And I'm gonna go help her. She has something wrong with her gutter, it's leaking, I don't know, but I gotta climb up there and go check it out. So I'm gonna check it out and tell her what I find, and then hopefully I get to help her and give her a hug. Talk to you later. So anyway, this is Leona. Say hi, Leona.
Hi, Leona.
Anyway, so this is Leona, and I knocked on her door. What happened, Leona? You said to come back? Did you say to come back? Okay, so I did. It's Memorial Day, and we're gonna climb up there and see what happens, and then I'll document of what happens after that. Thank you. Okay, everybody, we just filed the claim, and here's Leona. Say hi.
Hi.
How was your experience today?
Very interesting.
Awesome. So the next time, we're gonna meet the adjuster and see if we can get her a new roof. We helped her, cleaned her gutter. That's why I came over, but ended up finding some other stuff, as you see, that we documented. And that's what you can expect from Best Home Restoration. I'm Kurtis Nicley. I wish everyone a happy Memorial Day, and make sure you kiss the ones you love.